pirana kwa ngaro koe I nei rā ka tarai ki a tutuki o tu mana koe he koro pirana kwa ngaro koe I nei rā.
It was a huge honour to come here and support all of our whānau that have worked so hard to get this new campus established, to see the support of the haukainga, the mana whenua, and to acknowledge their support as well. Most importantly, it's great to see the aspiration that we have here for our people.
When you look around this new facility, it's really tauira centric. It's focused on making sure our tauira have the best, and the spaces for our kaimahi to work in are absolutely gorgeous as well.
Well, first of all, it's purpose-built for students, and I think that it's the environment. It looks like a whare wānanga, it feels like a whare wānanga, and so our job now is to actually try to instill the wairua into the whare.